Hello, hello. There are statements you should never make again. Do you say this off your clothes? No, no, no. Don't ever say that again. Are you a teacher? Are you a parent? Put off your clothes. Take off your clothes. I hope you've learned something there. Okay. Do you say the light is gone? Do you ever say the light is gone? It's not correct. So it's right you rather say, oh, the light is off. Or the power has been interrupted. Of course, that one is very formal. And you can still say, there is power outage. Maybe you have a question. You want to ask the question. Hello, John? Is there power outage? Has there been power outage? That is the light off? Don't ever say, has the light gone? No. And don't say, have they taken the light? No. Don't ever say, has never taken the light? No, it's not very formal and it's not, that's grammatical. It's not standard. Let me use that. Okay. Do you say, John, when will you bob your hair? Oh, they don't say that. It's not correct. If you get to know the meaning of bob, you know bob wires, right? Bob wires for creating security, probably in a house or something like that, in an environment. Don't use bob again. For males, you simply use cut, and for female, then it is plaiting. When will you plait your hair? Please, always remember that. You know the spellings for plait and plait are quite different. Are very different. Plait is Plate for eating. Plait is Plait for the hair. Do you say, come and bathe? Quickly, come and bathe. Come and bathe. Come and bathe. You want to mean come and take your bath. Remember, bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. I have to give you bath to you now. It's bath, not bathe. If you get to know the meaning of bathe, the word bathe, it's even having a harder TH in it. Bathe. And it simply means, when you try to rinse something, probably when the hand of the finger gets it's bleeding, when the finger is bleeding, and the best thing the doctor or the nurse or the chemist will recommend is to first bathe. Bathe the hand they just get a cut. Bathe the hand before applying all the first aid treatment. And bathing is part of the first aid treatment. Have you learned something? Especially the parents, please help me to correct this at home. Correct this at home properly. Recap. Take off your shoes. Pull off your shoes. Pull off your clothes. Don't say off your clothes. On the TV, no. Don't say on the fan. Don't let off begin your statement. Off, you use it off like a verb like that, which is wrong. There must be a verb to precede the off. Like switch off, put off, turn off. Take